This video shows you how to add a new substrate on the HP Latex 700 and 800 printer series. The printer comes with preloaded substrate profiles for the most commonly used generic substrates. If you cannot find a suitable profile for your substrate, and you prefer not to use a generic profile, then you can create your own substrate profile. Load your new substrate and select the most similar substrate when the message on the front panel asks you to do so. In the printer's front panel, select Substrate Library. On the Substrate Library page, look at the left column and choose the substrate category for the substrate that you just loaded into the printer, self-adhesive vinyl in this example. Then click the plus sign at the top of the right column. Now select the appropriate generic setting. Optionally, you can change the substrate profile name to later identify in the library the substrate used. Define the print mode and select the properties for your new substrate profile. Tap Print Test to print the ink drying and color saturation test. After the page has printed and dried, check the results. Readjust the substrate settings if necessary and print test again until you are satisfied with the result. Open the Advanced Settings screen to fine-tune your settings. Tap Continue to finish defining your settings. Next, perform a color calibration to ensure color consistency. There are two possible methods you can use. The first option is to perform the color calibration, and the printer will assign a generic ICC profile. This is the recommended option. The second option is to perform the color calibration and create a custom ICC profile, or copy a profile already assigned to a different print mode for this substrate, if there is such a profile. After color calibrating, your new profile is added to your printer. To save a copy of all your installed substrate profiles in the cloud, go to the Substrate Packages tab, and select the cloud icon that's located on the header. The profiles will be saved securely in the PrintOS Configuration Center app. You can use this app to restore the profiles or send them to other printers, among other features.